Hey, we are now at step number 5 of the roadmap to the lazy man's way to find out how to generate income during recession. So grab the mini course about the lazy man's way to find out how to generate income during recession. And be sure to watch this video right now so I can show you exactly how people just like you are using this strategy to quickly make an effort to keep their debt to income ratio low and improve their ways to build wealth during recession. Without how to survive during recession, how to find out the best investment during recession, and finding the best ways to prepare themselves mentally. So just that you know, you're in the right place. I want to underscore that this strategy reflects the exact system we have used to help countless restaurants, bars, technology, retail industry, and job-oriented people quickly and predictably make an effort to keep their debt-to-income ratio low and achieve their ways to build wealth during recession. In short, this is what is working now. So let's dig in. So here's the problem. You might be aware trying to keep your debt-to-income ratio low and ultimately learn not to panic during recession is a very hard job. You need to be prepared for the worst and make the best out of this time. It is a major problem for job-oriented people, retail industry, restaurants, bars, and technology worldwide. The ways to build wealth during recession space is absolutely flooded with courses, coaches, and hype, all promising to help us get results, but ultimately only adding to our overwhelm and frustration. Just about every day, I hear the same question from folks trying to make an effort to keep their debt to income ratio low. What will happen if I lose my job? How can I get rid of high interest debt? How can I avoid collection calls and get rid of my debt? And countless other questions I hear all the time. The fact is, there are three main reasons retail industry, job-oriented people, restaurants, bars, and technology struggle to make an effort to debt to income ratio low. How to survive during recession. How to find out the best investments during recession. Finding the best ways to prepare yourself mentally. Do these sound familiar? In all my experience serving and talking with job-oriented people, retail industry, restaurants, bars, and technology, I hear these three struggles and pains all the time. But these are only symptoms of a much greater issue. The real issue is lack of a clear point A to point B system that is easy to follow. A clear roadmap that's been proven to help people just like you make an effort to keep your debt to income ratio low is in no time flat. So you need to be taking some steps. Let me walk you through to the cheat sheet so you can understand. This is where exactly our learned survival skills comes in. Let me show you how it works. The first step clients on this path have to do is do not consider quitting your job. Number 2, next we help our clients seek a professional advice. The last step in this learned survival skills system is learning how those who are successful actually get rid of high interest credit cards and debt. Folks, this is just step 5 in our recession income program, the lazy man's way to find out how to generate income during recession. And it is the clearest and most predictable and proven system for anyone serious about doing what it takes to achieve their ways to build wealth during recession. Learn the ways to build wealth during recession and learn not to panic during recession. Be prepared for the worst and make the best out of this time. Stage number 1 is fear. First, we will utilize our recession time system that helps folks just like you will speed up the process of reaching their financial goals by learning about passive income secrets. Next, our unique Start Your Own Business process ensures our clients, ensures our students, they will have many different options to choose from for starting their own business fast. And after that, these people will understand the significance of investing and how it can help them during recession using our Learn to Invest frameworks. The Resolve Financial Problems process will ensure success as students will learn the ways through which they can create passive income source during recession. The core mechanism for ensuring that you can make an effort to keep your debt to income ratio low is our Learn Survival Skills system. The last step in the learn stage is to customize our Understanding Digital Marketing process, which shows our students how to accomplish their goal with content marketing each and every day like clockwork. So where does this lead to? It leads to stage 3, enjoy. Once we have your fear and learn in place, we will kick off the enjoy stage by building out your beneficial platform systems, which allows you to learn about the beneficial platforms to 3x your income during the session fast. So next step, our course helps students put their attention on enhancing their abilities, accumulating additional accomplishments, and creating profitable hobbies so they can put all of their things in their resume. Our unique model is called the Avoid Blunders. The final step of our Recession Income online course is to ensure that it provides you the most original idea you may apply in your daily life to generate income during the session using the Reap the Benefit system. So the action time, finally. If you want to get crystal clear on the exact steps you should be following right now to achieve your ways to build wealth during the session goals, then download this mini course right now. In just 30 minutes, or even less than that, you will get clear on what's holding you back. You will be able to decide if you would be a good fit for our Recession Income full-length course. Please note, if you are the type of person who understands it is time to take advantage by enhancing the contributions or starting dollar cost averaging in a non-qualified investment account, or who wants to benefit from investing in real estate, who is actively seeking support and wants to learn about passive income ideas requiring an upfront monetary investment, and wants to learn about passive income ideas requiring an upfront monetary investment, will commit themselves, learn about methods available to them for making money during the session. If that is you, then this course is for you. Thank you for listening.